Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Puteri Irysha Yasmin Binti Zulkarnain and my student ID is 2024-270456.
Hi, my name is Ilham Khadijah binti Salehuddin and my student ID is 2024273586.
Hi, my name is Ezreena binti Hasnul and my student ID is 20244-34344.
Hi, my name is Nabeeha binti Basri and my student ID is 2024280222.
Hello, my name is Hanis binti Hanif and my student ID is 2024290262.
Hi, my name is Qaisara binti Zamri and my student ID is 2024642262.
Hi, my name is Nadia binti Samadon and my student ID is 2024-20553.
Let's watch our video.
Hi everyone, let's start our discussion with an introduction of what is the National Anti-Drugs Agency NADA. The National Anti-Drugs Agency NADA is the lead agency in combating drugs and substance abuse in Malaysia. The National Anti-Drugs Agency NADA is also the key government agency in promoting a drug-free nation. They aim to prevent a person from being involved with drugs, treat and rehabilitate drug addicts, prevent addiction relapse, and eradicate the supply, tracking, and abuse of drugs from the whole country. Some of the strategies the National Anti-Drugs Agency NADA use in combating drugs and substance abuse in Malaysia are preventive drug education, treatment, medical and rehabilitation program, and many more. This has made Malaysia a strong committer in combating drugs abuse.
First, planning is a process that involves thinking about and organizing the activities needed to achieve a goal. Planning is a never-ending activity. It also involves setting organizational goals, developing strategies to achieve something, and creating detailed plans to coordinate activities. Online application and publication of video or any documentary about drugs is a type of planning. Online application and publication of videos or any documentary about drugs is a type of planning. Benefit of planning. First, it can improve decision making, enhance efficiency in an organization. Planning can minimize uncertainty, to set clear goals and to ensure objectives are achieved on time and within budget.
Chapter 3, Managing the Issue, Organizing. National Anti-Drug Agency NADA made a program to aim the family that related or contact with drug addicted. NADA made a program Family on Alert 4R to target the risk family that they can deal with drug problem if their environment has a drug addict. 4R more focused on family that stay on high risk place that who are more easily influenced by drugs. For example, takes place with high level of crime, social issue, and a significant number of drugs addicts. Also, single parents, divorced family, and family members drug addict, such case Section 51 of the Dangerous Drug DDA 1952. Objective of this program is spread awareness and knowledge about the effect of drug on human health. Also, 4R exposed about knowledge, skill, and guidance on parenting style, financial management, and stress management. 4R involve educating and supporting family to improve parenting skill and effective communication with their family members. 4R achieve the objective and goal after saying the positive impact and the studies. Also, they are explore the impact of a family drugs intervention program at a drug treatment and rehabilitation agency in Malaysia. Result of program 4R is participants have a knowledge of drug and what to do if their family members involved with drug. Also, program Family on Alert 4R that's help them to improve their family relationship.
Move on to decision making. First, what is decision making? Decision making is a process of making decision after identifying a problem, gathering information, and considering alternative options to solve a specific problem. It is a critical function in public management, particularly for agency tasked with managing complicated societal issues. Now, let's look on types of decision making. There are two of them. First, program decision. These are repetitive and can be handled based on known criteria, rules, and procedures. On the other hand, non-program decision. These involve on dealing with new and complicated issue with the lack of a particular information. And why is it important? First, it helps organization sets a clear goals and strategies. Second, ensures efficient use of time, cost, and workforce. And lastly, leads to better long-term outcomes. Decision-making strategies. First, enforcing legal measures. Dangerous Drugs Act 1952 serve as an obstacle, ensuring that individuals or groups involved in the illegal drugs trade will face legal consequences. Individuals arrested for using drugs can be mandatorily sent for rehabilitation at a narcotic addiction rehabilitation center that is postponed. Next is building community collaboration. NADA works with local leaders and organizations to raise awareness and foster a sense of collective responsibility. NADA integrates anti-drug messages into school curricula and organizes activities to increase knowledge about the physical impact of drug use. Last one, international cooperation. NADA actively participated in meeting with other countries' drug agency to exchange information and share experiences regarding on how they combat drug activities. NADA works with the international community to implement effective practices and strengthen security enforcement.
Controlling. Controlling is a goal-oriented management functions that involve monitoring performance, taking actions, and evaluating individuals, teams, or processes against preset goals to identify areas for improvement or adjustment. The way to control it is the National Anti-Drug Agency (NADA) has initiated various drug treatment and rehabilitation programs to support individuals struggling with addiction. Treatment and rehabilitation are provided through both institutional and community-based methods focusing on the psychosocial programs, medical treatment, and skills training. Aftercare and monitoring are integral components of the recovery process, offering ongoing support such as counseling and support groups to prevent relapse.
The National Anti-Drug Agency (NADA) of Malaysia does enforcement measures as one of the ways to control the drug addiction issue. What is enforcement? Enforcement is the process of ensuring that people comply with laws, rules, regulations, standards, and social norms. It can also refer to making a particular situation happen or be accepted. NADA conducts special preventive arrests on individuals involved in drug-related offences. These operations are often carried out in collaboration with other law enforcement agencies to ensure a coordinated approach. The suspected individuals are subjected to drug testing as part of the detainment process to confirm their involvement in drug-related offences. The detained individuals are arranged for their level of addiction or criminal involvement to determine the appropriate legal or rehabilitative measures. The benefits that people got from this measure is it helps reduce the availability of illegal substances in the market. With limited access, fewer individuals will initiate or continue substance abuse. Other than that, this will lower the crime rates as drug availability can lead to drug-related crimes such as theft and violence. Moreover, this enforcement also works as a preventive measure by identifying drug users or potential addicts early. This enables NADA to push those people toward treatment and rehabilitation programs that will prevent further offense.
I will be talking about the conclusion. Before we sum up the whole discussions, we will discuss about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Number 1. Strengths. The National Anti-Drugs Agency (NADA) has successfully managed to prevent most citizens' involvement of drugs and treating drugs addicts. Number 2. Weaknesses. Teenagers are most likely to be involved in drug abuse due to the influence of bad surroundings. National Anti-Drugs Agency (NADA) is still improving the process of giving better services for treatments, medications, and preventions for its clients. Number 3. Opportunities. Providing early support and education to the new generations by utilizing mass media for conveying awareness messages to ensure it reaches a significant audience. Mass media can be like face-to-face media, technology media, or social media. Number 4. Threats. New generations are exposed to bad influence that could cause curiosity and vulnerability to peer influence amongst themselves. The beginning of drug usage typically occurs in teenagers and are caused by the influence of drug addicts. This can create breakdown in certain areas where most people would become drug addicts. To sum up the whole discussion, this issue of how National Anti-Drugs Agency (NADA) has managed a drug-free nation is by becoming a leading agency in combating drug problems and is always working to provide the best solution and give better ideas on how to make the society drug-free. This agency has implemented many ways to prevent drug abuse in the society. Their plans and ideas are working well and are slowly reducing cases of drug abuse throughout the years. The community has also been a very good support system in spreading awareness about drug abuse. Therefore, the agency has been doing an excellent job in keeping the nation free for these past years. There are a few suggestions on how to manage a drug-free nation. Number 1, we can establish a group of volunteers that can commit and give education to the new generations. The newer generations might have zero knowledge about drugs and they need our help to guide them and tell them about the consequences of drug abuse. Number 2, conducting programs to spread awareness throughout the neighborhoods. Nowadays, most people are not aware of drugs abuse. By conducting programs, they can gain more knowledge about drugs addicts and prevent from becoming one. That's all for the conclusion. Thank you.